beautifuls, it's me, Alyssa. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to bring you my BOXYCHARM for August 2019. I am sorry that I am late with this unboxing. August just wasn't a good month for me, and I'm a little behind on some videos. So, I do have this to unbox with you guys because I actually really like this box, and I actually tested out a little bit of the products, so I can give you a little bit of my thoughts on two of them that I tested out. So I'm really excited about that, and without any further ado, let us unbox the BOXYCHARM for August 2019 because I'm so excited, very excited, because look at this box. So excited. Okay, so the theme for the August box was a totally BOXYCHARM. So cool. And as always, the products are on the back, so I'm gonna go in order of the products on the back of the card and let you know the prices and all that wonderfulness. So the first product is a product that I already tested out or tried, so I have some thoughts. This is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. I am really excited about this product because I've never tried a powder like this before, and it's really cool. So, this is what it looks like. You can see the reflection of my phone. And this is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder, and this retails for $39. And it comes in two shades, so it comes in this light, and then it comes in kind of like, I think, like a medium dark color for those skin tones. So, you know, it's not really, I don't know if for the skin tones it's going to be great for everybody, but this is the lightest shade, and I think this is a good for those that are light or pretty fair maybe. This is kind of, doesn't really give any extra color, I don't think, to the skin. I think it melts beautifully into the skin. I've never tried a powder like this. This is really cool. So you can see the powder. I wish there was a lot of powder in here, but it doesn't seem as much because the current powder that I'm using that's a loose powder is from Pretty Vulgar, and I feel like there might be more in the Pretty Vulgar one, or there seems to be, and it is quite bigger. So the current one I'm currently using is from Pretty Vulgar. It's their the Powder Room Mad About It translucent setting powder, and this has 25 grams. And the Becca has, how many grams do you have? It says it has 10.0 grams. So there is a little bit less in the Becca one than the Pretty Vulgar. And the Pretty Vulgar has been currently one of my favorite powders to set my face with, because it is a loose powder. I've been into some loose powders lately for the skin. But I tried this out, and it is light, so it does melt into the skin, but I don't see any extra color being given to the face, which is pretty nice. It melts into the skin. Like, it is this wet, it feels like this wet kind of powder on the face when you put it on, but then it just like sinks and blends in and looks like a powder. Like, it doesn't look wet when you put it on. It just has that texture and feeling of like a wetness, but it doesn't look wet on the face as soon as you put it on. It melts into the skin super nicely, and it does have a little lid that you flip off, and then there's the little sifter in there. And what I just do is I just take a big fluffy brush like this. This is one from Wet n Wild. I'm looking for new brushes to replace my Wet n Wild ones currently, but all I do is I just press the fluffy brush onto the little net that it is, and then the powder goes onto the brush very easily, and then I just, you know, press it into the skin, and it feels super cooling to the skin. So like, it is super hot still, and I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, I don't know why, but it is still super hot out. But feeling this on this skin in the face just felt super like cooling to touch, and then it just like melts into the skin and looks nice. And I don't feel like it looks cakey. There was a little paper thing that I peeled off that was on there on the little net thing. So it is really nice, and I am loving it. I can't wait to try more of it out and just see how well it wears on the skin, but I'm super excited. If my foundation looks a little bit off today, maybe because it's not my right color, I'm wearing an my favorite e.l.f. foundation that I can never seem to get in my shade because the new light shades are always sold out. So I'm like, I like this foundation because it's super cheap. It's only $6, but my shade that I always want is never available. So I usually have to stick with the light ivory because the lighter shades are never available. I keep missing out. But anyways, next I have the Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and this is $42. Can we talk about how cute all of these products are looking? Super pink today, which is why I'm wearing this pink sweater or sweatshirt. It's a sweatshirt, it's not a sweater because it's not super thick. It's a light sweatshirt. Probably good for those cooler evenings or cooler mornings. It's been cool here in the mornings here in New Jersey because my brother started school, so I'm up in the morning because I have to make sure he gets on the bus. This is his first year going on a school bus for middle school. My brother is a middle schooler now, guys. He's in 6th grade. It's hard to believe. But the bus picks up down the street, so I have to make sure, you know, he's going out on time. But I did get pictures of him on the first day, walking to the bus and, you know, sitting there and walking onto the bus, which was really cool. But it's been really nice because the bus does pass by my window here in the back. So I'm able to see, you know, when it hits the time that the bus is supposed to come, it will pass by my window maybe like a minute or two later, so all the kids are like on the bus. So I still get to see him making sure he's on the bus and stuff. So that's really cool. But yeah, he's a middle schooler. Yep. Can't believe it. It's very amazing. So, this little primer, this is like a primer that you can use underneath your makeup. It's a little illuminating glow ahead. That's what it says. It says it's a multi-tasking beauty elixir. Instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, useful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a useful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it in one drop at a time. And this is $42, like I said. But this was really cool because this gives me like the Touch and Soul pore no problem little primer that comes in like this little tube, and it has that same little dropper thing. This must be like a new thing for beauty products now. But I do want to show you guys it, and I want to feel it. Ooh, it's a pink sparkly product. Oh, it smells pretty nice. Very light scented, but not overpowering. But it kind of has a little bit of very finely milled shimmer in it, so it is going to give you that like glow, but I don't think it's going to make it look super shiny. Ooh, feels nice. But it does remind me, feels nice. Feels nice. Feels like it's going to sink into the skin very easily. Like, I have all my current products I'm using. But it does look very much like the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul, because it has that dropper. So super cool. This must be like a new thing. It kind of feels like you're like almost like a chemist while you're doing your makeup now these days. I don't know. It's really cool. But I really like it. It's super cool. It's super pinky. Here's what it looks like. I like the packaging. It's pink with gold. And Wander Beauty has some pretty good products. I don't think I have been disappointed by any other products. I've gotten their mascara, their under eye baggage claim little patches, and I haven't been disappointed by them. They make some pretty good products. So I'm very much loving the products. Alright, the next thing is from Tarte, which this is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara, which I'm believing is a recently new product that was dropped by Tarte. So it's a new mascara. I've tried some mascaras from Tarte. I think they're pretty good. But this is $23. I love the packaging. It's this super bright hot pink, like neon hot pink, and it's in gold. The Tarte. So we have here our before and after of what the lashes are supposed to look like. And I do have this on today as well. I love this packaging. Look at that. It's so cool. So I will show you guys the mascara because it is on my eyes today. So this is what the wand looks like. And it is on my eyes. I think it's pretty nice. I like big volume and big looking lashes because I don't wear falsies. So I can make them look voluminous and big and make sure I look like I got some lashes on. That is really great. I do need to play with this a little bit more to test it out. But I think it's right now, it's okay. You know, I just need to test it out a little more, you know. And see, you know, I have to like, you know, sometimes with mascaras, if they need to be used a couple of times, or like the product inside of it needs to be, I guess, a little bit more dried out over time of use, and then maybe the product works a little bit more better over time. So we're gonna be playing around with the mascara, and then I will let you know my thoughts fully. Maybe it will pop up in a favorites video or something like that. But I'm excited. I am very excited. Okay, now this product I was very excited to have because I don't get too many things from Pure Cosmetics. But this is the Complexion pink glitter mask, and this was from the Pure and Barbie collection. If you did not see Pure Cosmetics and Barbie collaborated together and have a cute little makeup line, there was this mask, there's a little eyeshadow palette, and some lip products in the collection. Sorry, I have a hair. I have cats, guys, so hair is gonna bound to fly around on me. But I was really excited about this because I love Barbie. I love pink. So I believe this was for, I guess, one of the Barbie, I guess because Barbie's anniversary has appeared and stuff like that. This is $26, but look how cool. Light pink and hot pink. This is very Barbie. This pink glitter mask reminds me of those Barbie dolls that had the I don't know if you remember them, but if you remember watching like the Barbie birthday party that was like filmed in like Disneyland back in the late 90s, if you remember those dolls that had like this super glittery hair that you can glitter their hair, and they were like wearing like this like palm tree on like on a black t-shirt, and then there was like different colored skirts that the girls had. It was if you remember those Barbies, this glitter mask, I think, seems like a very good represents kind of like what those dolls were. It is like a hot pink glitter. I don't really want to open it right now, but I think maybe I will. But I'm not going to use it right away. I have other masks that I'm opening right now. Oh, but look, it's super hot pink. I don't know if I can show you guys. Hopefully I can show you. The glitter, it doesn't even look like glitter. It looks more of like a shimmery type of glitter. It doesn't look like super chunky glitter, which that's probably a good thing because I'm pretty sure nobody wants to have chunks of glitter on their face when doing a mask. But it said it has licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. It's a brightening peel-off mask. Sorry if you hear my mom in the background. She's with my brother, my baby brother. But this is really cool. I'm loving do you really love the whole color scheme of this box? Super pink and cute looking. Now the last thing is some fake falsie lashes, which, these are from Lashaholics. It's their Instaglam false eyelashes, and these retail for $14.99 just for this little single pack. The presentation looks darling and cute, and I love the shimmery gold packaging. But I don't wear falsies. They look pretty nice. Says they're supposed to be natural looking. They're vegan, 100% vegan falsies made from premium silk fibers. It give your lashes dimension, natural looking length, and volume. These don't look bad. These don't look bad. But they don't look bad. But I do need to find some lash glue that doesn't have latex in it, because unfortunately, lash glue has latex in it, and I'm allergic to latex due to my spina bifida and stuff, so I can't use latex. So I have an allergic reaction to it. But I will, if I can find latex-free eyelash glue that works, maybe I'll give these a go. Maybe these will be great for, like, if I was going out somewhere, not like wearing them on a daily basis. I don't think I would be a falsies on the daily person wearing these, but they're pretty cool. Presentation is pretty nice too, but $14.99 for just one little pair of lashes. I don't know, I feel like you might get more bang for your buck if you were wearing like maybe some Kiss eyelashes, or maybe you got a pack of like Ardell ones. So I don't know, we'll give those a go. But that is everything that was in this BOXYCHARM box for August 2019. I'm going to leave the total price of the box right here on the screen so you guys can see how much the box cost for this month. But I am very excited with this box. This box made me very happy. I'm in love with everything, and you will be sure to see it in upcoming videos very soon. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated and helps me out a lot. And until next time, have a beautiful and magical day, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.